morning, we're going to go over minute 52. Let's look at the directions. For numbers 1 through 6, circle the correct meaning for the underlined homograph in each sentence. Remember, a homograph are words that are spelled the same and sometimes sound the same, but have different meanings. Be careful not to break anything. This break means to smash. Number 2, hit the ball hard with a bat. This bat is a piece of wood or metal, like a bat you play with in baseball. Number 3, the wind blew my hat off. It does not mean to turn. It does mean a strong current of air. Number 4, the bug crawled up my leg. Bug is not to bother, but it is an insect. Put the water in a big pitcher. This is a jug, not a baseball player. You should never lie to your parents. This does not mean to rest flat, but it means to speak untruthfully. Let's look at the bottom part. The directions say, numbers 7 through 10, draw a line to match the underlined homograph in each sentence with its correct meaning. Please bow when the queen walks in, and bow means to bend at the waist. She had a beautiful bow in her hair. Bow is a knotted ribbon. I will plant some roses today. Plant is to put something in the ground. The plant grew very tall. This plant is a living thing with leaves. Good job. Make sure you have made your corrections and turn to the math side of minute 52. Write the fraction that names the shaded portion. Well, we're going to count how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3. So 3 goes on the top as the numerator. Then we're going to count how many there are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 goes on the bottom, that is the denominator. The expanded form of 5,455. The expanded form is 5,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 5. 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. I kind of make a song with that one to remember that one. 6 times 8 is 48. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now, half of 100, is 50, because 50 plus 50 is 100. So half of 100 is 50. An apple weighs about 6 ounces. It's kind of light. But a truck weighs about 1 ton, which is very, very heavy. 0 divided by 8 is 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 minus 9. If I have 6 of something, I can't take 9 from it. So I'm going to borrow from the 8, and the 8 becomes a 7, and the 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 9. If you have to, do it on your fingers. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, but get the answer correct. 7 minus 7 is 0, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Each motorcycle carries 2 people. 12 people need to travel. So we've got, for this problem, we've got 1, 2 people, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now how many motorcycles are needed? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 motorcycles are needed. You could also say 12 divided by 2 is 6. Very good. Make sure you've made your corrections. Put your paper in your cubby, please. And then go on Lexia Core 5.